Hey, what's up, guys? I thought I'd check in. I haven't uploaded in a while, but this is the new daily driver until I pick my next project. It's a 2014 Audi A4. This one is the Quattro. I mean, I guess they all come Quattro except for the 1.8s. And this one is also a 6-speed manual. And it has the S-Line package, but not the sport package. But yeah, so the S-Line shows the same front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and as the S4. But yeah, I'll talk to you about future mods after doing like a little walk around. But yeah, the only thing I did right now was really just I hated the aluminum wheels, so I just plastic dipped them black. And yeah, once I order a blackout emblem package, I'll get rid of all the chrome, and I'll either wrap the chrome trimming around the windows, or I'll probably just paint it primer black. But other than that, yeah, this is a car. It's gonna have to get like Jordan slotted rotors. I debadged everything in the rear, so come back here, everything in the rear has been debadged. Yeah, I think it looks great. I mean, the only thing I left on there was just the S badge, which is for the S-Line. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I like the curvature of the trunk. I think it looks really good. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it looks great. I mean, that's what it looks like from the rear view. I ordered a ECS tuning rear spoiler. So the rear spoiler there would come up on the trunk lid. And I also ordered the ECS tuning gloss black rear diffuser, and that'll be going on. Once that goes on, I'll be replacing the little single dual tipped exhaust right here, and I'll show you what I did, or what I'm going to do as well. So under here it's kind of weird, but yes, so it's kind of hard to see, but you have this is one of your mufflers right here. Then you go down a little more, and there is a, kind of hard to see, but right, let me see if I can get my finger on there. Right here is another muffler. Then you go down a little more, behind here is a resonator. Then you got your catalytic converter up there near the turbo. But yeah, so I'll be deleting both mufflers, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, future plans for this one is probably just probably coilovers, wheels, little lip kit, and maybe some little carbon goodies. And I'll definitely be adding the RS style grill as well. But other than that, I mean, it's really clean. I really like the dark gray. I feel like it looks really aggressive. I either want it gray or white, and I got this one, and I'll show you on the inside. Oh, also the headlights are super cool when you actually, it's kind of hard to see it in daytime, but it has a daytime running light that kind of goes on there. But yeah, coming on, when you come into the inside here, super nice. So yeah, so on there, carpet needs to be cleaned a little bit, but other than that, this is it. It's the 6-speed manual. Get in, I'll show you guys a little bit. It's got automatic seats. The only thing I want to do on the interior here is really just I'll probably replace just the front seats with black leather, some type of black leather bucket racing seats. And then I'll leave the back, here's the back as well. The back is just nice black leather. This one does have the sunroof. And yeah, and it's pretty nice. It's really nice. The interface is kind of outdated for 2014. The look of it looks great. But like, as far as it doesn't even have, like, since I don't have the navigation, I don't know, I have a nav button, but I don't have the navigation package on here. And since I don't have that, I can't connect my phone like for Bluetooth music, but I can connect it for like Bluetooth phone calls, which is kind of stupid. So I'll be getting an aftermarket radio. And the only thing on the interior really is maybe like some, like I said, 2 bucket racing seats that are leather. I'll probably change out the shift knob for something else, carbon fiber. They have a good carbon fiber overlay that deletes all this aluminum look, and I'll do all that. Add it on the doors. It's like, get rid of like the cheap plastic look. I mean, it's not really cheap, but it's just, you know, the plastic look. I might as well add some carbon fiber. And yeah, and there's like a carbon fiber covering for this part to get rid of that. But at the same time, I like the aluminum, so I can't really, I don't know. I like it. I like how it says Quattro over here. But yeah, other than that, I'll show you under the hood. It's super simple, I guess. Yeah, let's get in here. And under the hood here, the A4 is extremely easy to work on. It's a little dirty, so I'll have to clean it. I'll do a little video of that. But other than that, super clean. If you're like used to Audis, Audi doesn't have they don't come with dipsticks from the factory. So I just ordered a dipstick off of eBay. It was like $7, I think. And yeah, so the only thing I plan on doing in here is my only plans, I'm gonna keep it KO3. I don't plan to do anything crazy since it's gonna be a daily, but what I will be doing as far as like the only thing engine wise would be swapping out the intake to like there's an ECS tuning intake, there's a ECS tuning downpipe that I'll be using, and what else was it? So I was just gonna do intake, downpipe. There's also you can do the upgraded ECS tuning intercooler, and then I was gonna do a stage 2 tune. At least what they claim that it gives you like it's like 80 horsepower, and it's like 82 horsepower and 83 pounds of torque or something like that. I'll look it up, but it's like both in the 80s of horsepower and torque gains on stage 2. So I'll probably do that, and then just a full exhaust, and you know, that's it. This isn't meant to be a race car. It's just meant to be a fun daily. So, oh man, I got leaves and everything. Jeez. Sorry, the car is a little dirty. I cleaned the outside. I've only had the car for a few days now, and I haven't got a chance to clean anything here. But yeah, once I get to my new home in Oklahoma, it seems like I will work on my next project. But this is definitely the daily right now, and I'll be doing some tasteful mods to this. So if you guys were here when I built the Evo, please stay because I will be doing another Evo build. This time I'll be doing it with the 2008 Plus body style though, just because it's a crap ton easier to work on, and the parts are a lot more achievable, I guess, if that makes sense. Finding Evo 8 parts, they were a pain. So I would just I'm very happy to be building on an Evo X body style. But yeah, I mean, that's to come. And till then, this is my new daily driver. It's the DIY Audi. But yeah, I'll give it a nice little thumbnail picture, and I will let you guys go. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to the channel, and if you have anything you want to see on this chassis, just let me know, and I'll look into it, adding it. Yeah, but as far as I was saying, like everything like exterior wise is probably just gonna be a little lip kit, nothing crazy. The RS style grill, which is honeycomb, because for some reason on here the fog light grill or fog light grill covers are honeycombed, but the grill itself is like lines for some reason. I don't know why that is. I mean, so it basically matches the honeycomb everywhere in the front, and it just looks a lot cleaner. Is this out? Ugh. Yeah, that was out a little bit. Look at that, I already fixed some stuff. But yeah, but I'm just gonna match that. Found a good price on that, and I'll probably keep the rings in the front but have them black. And yeah, so front lip, grill, the little underside skirts, drilled in slotted rotors for sure. I'll paint the calipers. I don't know what color will look good on gray, so I mean, if you guys have any cool like color recommendations, like let me know on a gray car, because I would like to see that. And these wheels are not staying. I just couldn't stand the like aluminum look to them, so I just plasti dipped them black. But yeah, I'm looking for some rotor wheels, or you know, something nice. And 19s look really good on this, but I kind of want to keep the weight down because this is a very heavy vehicle. I think it's like 3,500 pounds or something like that. It's a good weight, so I'm trying to keep the weight down. So I'll probably try to stick with 18s that are a little lighter, or just the OEM rotor wheels that come on the Audi, and stance it on those, and it looks really good. And then just lip kit, maybe like some little splats for the rear, and yeah, the ECS tuning, rear diffuser, and spoiler will probably be it from there. I might wrap the roof, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, other than that, I mean, and then just a quad tip exhaust, and that's all. I mean, it's just gonna be a daily. The goal is just gonna be a nice, reliable daily that's fun and everything. I got a really good price on it, and I'm really excited about it. And yeah, but other than that, this is the new project. Hit me up, and I might change the hood. I really don't want to, but it has a lot of like little dings in it, so like I'm kind of tempted just to be like, oh, like to swap it out with like a carbon fiber. But then if I do that, I'll want carbon fiber everything, so I might not do that. But yeah, but I mean, other than that, this is the car. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. All right, have a good day.